Hey everybody, Grant Evans here. 2 years ago I was Grant Cantori at during the Matthew hurricane down on the beach. I'm here in Hilton Head. It's about 5 o'clock on Friday afternoon, and I thought I would take a ride. As you can see behind me in the clouds, that's probably the outer bands of Hurricane Florence that's moving south from Florence into Myrtle Beach towards the Charleston area, and that's looking north. So we're starting, this is truly the calm before the storm, and I just decided I'm going to take a little beach ride on the beach, maybe take you along for a little bike ride on the beach with a hurricane just 100 or so miles north of us. But we're starting to get some winds, supposed to get a little bit more wind later with some rain. So I'm just going to do a little ride on the beach. I'm going to try to turn this thing around, and we'll stop and see if we can go ahead and... Okay, not sure what I'm doing, so what I'll do is I'll do this. And we're going to go for a little bike ride. As you can see, there's some people on the beach. Very few people. The waves are very calm because the winds are coming counterclockwise out of the northwest. So what it's doing is it's pushing the water towards the ocean, which is why you see the calmness. Now, when that storm gets further inland, I think you're going to see a reverse of those waves, and then you'll start seeing some big waves come onto the beach. So we got very lucky with Florence. A few days ago, we had a mandatory evacuation of Hilton Head. Lots of people left. The island's fairly deserted, but thank God we avoided the worst. So I'm going to go ahead and start to ride here a little bit. And we're pretty much low tide right now. We're headed towards it. And you can see there's a lot of people. It's very calm, very beautiful, even though there's been a lot of destruction just a few hundred miles north of us. But you can see some blue sky in the south, but it's probably not going to remain for too long. And seagulls are having fun. They're hanging out, taking you down by the ocean. You can see the waves here, very small, although the water is very dirty, unlike Hilton Head. But with all the churning that went on out in the ocean, this is what we're getting. So I assume that's probably why we get a little beach renourishment from a hurricane. It brings in all that sand from the middle of the ocean. See some of the houses some are boarded up, most of them are not. When the governor took off the mandatory evacuation on Tuesday, I think everybody relaxed, took a deep breath. But you can see the difference in the sky. If I kind of go the other direction, there in the north, that's where all the trouble is. And if you come this way, south, we see some brightness. Again, 2 weeks ago, this beach had thousands of people on it. Now there's probably 100. So anyways, hope everybody has a great weekend. Anything exciting more happens, I'll clue you in. And you know what my thing was sorry for doing this, but it's like Florence, Hurricane Florence. It's like, I had a song I was going to sing about flow, but it's I won't do it. So anyways, have a great weekend. Over and out.